students, welcome to Math Magnet. Math made easy. This is for all you little geniuses who need a little help with math. Remember to use this video only as a guide to help you solve your math problems after you have attempted to solve them yourselves. Let's get into today's video. Today we are going to see review 1 questions from workbook for grade 6A. This will comprise questions from Algebra and Fractions chapter. Section A. The first question. In 61,803, the value of the digit 6 is. So here, if you see the digits places, it is 3 is in ones place, 0 is in tens place, 8 is in hundreds, 1 is in thousands, and 6 in is 10,000s place. So the value of 6 will be 60,000. Second question, express 0.07 as a percentage. To express any number as a percentage, we will have to multiply by 100. So it becomes 7%. Question 3, how many 9s are there in 4 holes? So we will need to see how many 1 by 9s. That is, 9th is nothing but 1 by 9. So we need to find how many 1 by 9s are there in a 4 hole. So that means 4 divided by 1 by 9, which is otherwise 4 into 9 by 1, which is equal to 36. There are 36 9s in 4 holes. Question 4. Which of the following has the same value as 5 by 6 divided by 3 by 4? Now 5 by 6 by 3 by 4 can be rewritten as 5 by 6 into 4 by 3. So this is one of the options given in the question. Question 5. What is the value of 4 by 5 divided by 8 by 9? So 4 by 5 divided by 8 by 9 can be rewritten as 4 by 5 into 9 by 8. 4 and 8 cancels out each other 2 times. So it becomes 9 by 5 into 2, which is equal to 9 by 10. The sixth question. Find the value of 88 minus p by 6 when p equal to 32. So here we'll have to substitute the value of p as 32 in the equation 88 minus p by 6. So it becomes 88 minus 32 by 6. 88 minus 32 is 56. So it becomes 56 by 6. Now this can be written as a mixed number as 9 2 by 6, and 2 by 6 can be further simplified as 1 by 3. So it becomes 9 1 by 3. Question 7. The total mass of a block of butter and a box of cherries is 384 grams. The mass of the block of butter is twice the mass of the box of cherries. Find the mass of the block of butter. Here we have been asked to find the block of butter, the mass of block of butter, but we have got two informations of the block of butter with respect to the box of cherries. One thing we know, block of butter plus box of cherries is 384, and block of butter is 2 times the box of cherries. So let us write the mass of box of cherries as x. So mass of block of butter can be rewritten as 2x because it is twice the mass of box of cherries, so it becomes 2x. And we also know mass of block of butter and box of cherries is 384, so that we can write it as 2x plus x is equal to 384. That is 3x is equal to 384. X is equal to 384 divided by 3, which is equal to 128 grams. Now what is x? X is the box of cherries. Now we are supposed to find the mass of block of butter. So to find mass of block of butter, it is 128 into 2, which becomes 256 grams. So the mass of block of butter is 256 grams. Question number 8. Megan places two identical mugs into a basket. The mass of each mug is t grams. The basket is 80 grams lighter than each mug. Find the total mass of the basket and the mug in terms of t. So here we know the mass of the mug is mass of one mug is t grams, and the mass of basket is t minus 80. It is 80 grams lighter than each mug. That is, it is 80 grams lighter than one mug. So mass of the basket will be t minus 80. One mug is t grams. Two mugs will be 2t grams. Now the total weight will be 2t plus t minus 80, which will be 3t minus 80 grams. Question 9. Aaron is twice as old as Ryan. In 3 years, the sum of their ages will be 30 years. Find Aaron's present age. here Aaron is, we need to find Aaron's age. We know that Aaron is twice as old as Ryan, and in 3 years their sum will be 30 years. So we are asked to find Aaron's present age, and we need to, we also don't know what is Ryan's age. So let us write, let the age of Ryan be as x, because Aaron's age is given in terms of Ryan's age here. They have told it is twice as Ryan. So let us write the unknown number of Ryan's age as x. So age of Aaron will be 2x. And in 3 years, sum of their ages will be 30. So after 3 years, their sum will be 30. So after 3 means Aaron also will age by 3 more years. Ryan will also age by 3 more years. So it becomes 2x plus 3 plus x plus 3 is equal to 30, which is 3x plus 6 is equal to 30. 3x is equal to 30 minus 6, which is equal to 24. X is equal to 24 divided by 3, which is equal to 8 years. Now what is x? X is Ryan's age. So age of Aaron will be 2 times x, which is equal to 16 years. So the age of Aaron is 16 years. Let's look at the next question, question number 10. Tammy spent 2 by 5 of her savings on a watch. She then spent 1 by 6 of the remainder on a bag. What fraction of her money did she have left? So over here we know out of some money that she had, she spent 2 by 5 of it on a watch, and from the remainder 1 by 6 has been used for a bag. Now there is how much money she has left. Okay. So let's start by drawing the bar model. Since they have told that she has 2 by 5 of her savings, she has spent 2 by 5 of her savings on a watch. Her total savings will be 5 units. Okay, let us start with drawing 5 units. Now in this 5 units, 2 units have been used for a watch. Okay, now the remainder we have 3 units left. Correct, we have 3 units left as the remainder. But in the question they have told it is 1 by 6th of the remainder on a bag. So from the remainder 1 by 6 portion has been used for the bag. So from 3 units we need to split it to make 6 units. Only then you will get 1 by 6 for a bag, right? So these 3 units we'll split it into half to get 2 units, correct? So then so totally there will be now 6 units. In this 1 unit is used for a bag. Now the same way that we have split 1 unit into half to make 2 units, we will do it the same over here as well for the watch. Only then you will get a total of 10 units, right? So basically out of 10 units, 4 units has been used for watch and 1 unit has been used for bag. Basically we are making into a like fraction. Okay, now we are converting 2 by 5 and 1 by 6 into a like fraction using the bar model. So let us see how to find out. Amount spent on watch is 2 by 5. Remainder will be 1 minus 2 by 5, which is equal to 5 by 5 minus 2 by 5, which is 3 by 5. Now amount spent on bag is 1 by 6 of the remainder, which is 1 by 6 of 3 by 5. So that is equal to 1 by 10. Now fraction of money left is 1 minus 2 by 5, the amount that she spent on the watch, and the amount that she spent on the bag, that is 1 by 10. Let's convert into like fractions. It becomes 10, 1 becomes 10 by 10 minus 4 by 10. That is what we have represented in the bar model, minus 1 by 10, which is equal to 5 by 10. The answer is visible clearly in the bar model. Still, this is another method of solving it without the help of bar model. So the answer will be 1 by 2 of the money is what she is left with. Section B. Let's see what questions come under this section, section B. Question 11. Find the value of 200 plus 9 plus 0.3 plus 0.01. So let's add 200 plus 9, it becomes 209, plus 0.3 becomes 209.3, plus 0.001 becomes 209.301. So this is your final answer. Question 12. Find the value of 97 minus 2 into 16 minus 4. So as per BODMAS rule, we will first solve the operations within the bracket. So first step is to find 16 minus 4, which is 12. The next operation that we need to give priority to is division, but we do not have a division here. So the next operation is multiplication. Now here it is 2 into 12. So that becomes, that is 16 minus 4 we know is 12. So it becomes 2 into 12, which is equal to 24. The next step is you are going to addition operation, but we do not have any addition operation here. So next option is subtraction. So it becomes 97 minus 24, which is equal to 73. So your final answer is 73. Question 13. Simplify 8x plus 9 minus 4x minus 2. So here we will first perform operation on the variables and then on the constants. So 8x minus 4x is equal to plus 4x. Plus 8x minus 4x, we will do the subtraction operation, which is minus. So it becomes 4x, and then we will use the symbol, the operation symbol of the greater number, which is plus. So it becomes plus 4x. Now similarly we will go to the constant, that is plus 9 minus 2. We will do the subtraction operation and take the symbol of the larger number, which is 9. So 9 minus 2 is 7, becomes plus 7. So it is 4x plus 7. Question 14. Find the value of 4 by 5 divided by 12. That can be rewritten as 4 by 5 into 1 by 12. 4 and 12 cancels out each other 3 times. So it becomes 1 by 5 into 3, which is equal to 15. So the final answer is 1 by 15. Question 15. Eileen is 3y years old now. Her mother is 4 times as old as her. Find their total age in 7 years time. Give your answers in terms of y. Now the information that we know is Eileen is 3y years and her mother is 4 times as old as her. So it becomes 4 into 3y, which is 12y years. Now they have given their total age in 7 years. So after 7 years, what will be their age in terms of y? So after 7 years, Eileen will age by 7 years and also her mother will also age by 7 years. So it will be written as 3y plus 7 plus 12y plus 7, which is equal to 3y plus 7 plus 12y plus 7, which is 15y plus 14. That is their total of their age in terms of y. Let's look at the next question. Question 16. Jessie baked P cupcakes on Saturday. She baked P plus 3 more cupcakes on Sunday than on Saturday. She baked 30 cupcakes altogether. How many cupcakes did Jessie bake on Saturday? So let us start by drawing the bar model. We know on Saturday she has baked P cupcakes. Okay. And on Sunday she has baked P plus 3 cupcakes. So the differential amount is P plus 3. So basically there are 2 P's and 1 3. So here altogether is equal to 30 cupcakes. Now see, there are 3 units of P plus 3 is equal to 30. So 3P will be 30 minus 3, which is equal to 27. P is equal to 27 divided by 3. P equal to 9. Now what is P? P is the cake that is baked on Saturday. 1 unit of P. That is the question. They have asked how many cupcakes did Jessie bake on Saturday? It is 9 cupcakes on Saturday. Let's look at the 17th question. The figure is made up of 10 identical squares. The perimeter is y centimeter. What is the side of each square in terms of y? Here in this given figure, there are number of squares that has been stacked on each other. Now what is the perimeter? Perimeter is the measurement of the outermost border. Now if we count these sides, you will come up with 16 sides, that is equal to the perimeter, which is y. Okay, so it means perimeter of a figure, in this figure it is 16 sides of the square are there. If you count from here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. There are 16 sides of squares, which is, if when you add, it is equal to y centimeters. That is the perimeter of this figure. Now they've asked us to find the value of one side in terms of y. So 16 sides is y centimeter. One side will be y divided by 16 centimeters. Now let's solve questions from section C. Question number 18. Usman prepared 3 by 7 liters of orange juice for some guests. He poured the juice into glasses, each with a capacity of 1/9 liters. How many glasses of orange juice were there at most? How much orange juice was left? Give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. So over here they have told that Usman has certain amount of juice and he is poured into some glasses which has a capacity of 1/9 liters, and they have asked us to find how many glasses of glasses he has poured the juice into, and also after pouring the juice into so how many ever glasses, what is the amount of juice that is still left out with. So let's solve this one by one. Question A. We know that his juice that he is available with is 3/7 liters. Juice in each glass is 1/9 liters. So number of glass can be simply found out by dividing 3/7 by 1/9, which can be rewritten as 3/7 into 9/1, which is equal to 27/7. Now we will write this into a mixed fraction, that becomes 3/6/7. So basically the number of glasses that he can pour juice into is 3 glasses. Now to find question B, the amount of juice that is left out with, juice in 3 glasses we know is 3 into 1/9, which is equal to 1/3 liters, and we know that he had 3/7 liters, so the juice left will be 3/7 minus 1/3, which is, we'll convert it into a like fraction, so it becomes 3/7, you will multiply 3/7 into 3 and 1/3 into 7, so it becomes 9/21 minus 7/21. Here we got the same denominator, so it becomes a like fraction. Now we can proceed with the subtraction. So 9/21 minus 7/21 is 2/21 liters. So he is left out with 2/21 liters. Question 19. The mass of a pot completely filled with soup is 6 kg. When it is 1/3 filled with soup, its mass is 2.8 kg. What is the mass of the empty pot? Now we know the mass of a pot with, when it is filled fully, it is 6 kgs, and when it is only 1/3 full, it is 2.8 kg. In both the cases, we should consider that the mass of the pot is considered. Both in 2.8 kg, it is 1/3 of juice plus the mass of pot, and 6 kgs, the entire pot, that is 3/3 of juice plus the pot is 6 kgs. Let's begin by drawing the bar model. We know that the juice plus pot, okay, when it is full, that is 3 units of juice. Why I am taking 3 units is because over in the next statement we are considering only one portion of 3 portions, so that is 1/3. So for better understanding, I am taking 3/3 to denote it is full. So when it is 3/3, it weighs 6 kg including the weight of pot. When it is 1/3, it is weighing 2.8 kg including the weight of pot. Now we know the difference will be equal to 2 units of the juice excluding the weight of pot, right? This 2.8 and 6 has the pot weight included. Difference will give you the 2 units of juice alone. So 2 units of soup alone. So 2 units of soup will be 6 minus 2.8, which is equal to 3.2 kg. So 1 unit will be 3.2 divided by 2, which is equal to 1.6 kg. Now you know 1 unit of soup is 1.6 kg. Now if you subtract this minus 2.8, you will get the mass of pot, right? So that's how we'll go. So weight of pot is 2.8 minus 1.6, which is equal to 1.2 kg. So the mass of the empty pot will be 1.2. The last question, question number 20. During a sale, a jar of jam costs $2.6 and a bundle of 3 jars of jam costs $6. Now Sam wants to buy exactly 83 jars of jam. What is the least amount of money he needs to pay? So now over here we know the cost of one jam, and also we know when they are selling in bundles of 3, it costs $6. So when Sam wants to buy 83 jars, he needs to reduce the amount of cost. If he is going to pay 8 for 83 jars, if he is going to consider this 2.6, he will be paying lot more. Okay. So over here we will consider the bundle of 3 jars first, and then the balance will be considered as individual jars. So to find how many bundles of 3 jars are there, we will divide 83 by 3. So that will give you the bundles of 3. How many bundles of 3 jars he can buy. That will be, when you divide 83 by 3, you will get 27. So that becomes 27 bundles you can buy. With 27 bundles, it will come only to 81 jars, right? And now there are two more jars to make it 83. That he will buy as individual jars. Okay, so it is 827 bundles of 3 jars and 2 jars. So it becomes, for cost of 27 bundles will be 27 into 6, which is 162. Cost of 2 jars will be 2 into 2.6, which is 5.2. Now the total will be 162 plus 5.2, which is $167.2. So he will spend $167.2. Thank you friends. Hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please do like, share with your friends and subscribe for more such useful videos. Feel free to comment your doubts down below and I shall get back to you at the earliest. See you soon with another math video. Bye.